Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the open face reel is loaded and the braid or mono is spooled correctly, because line behavior determines cast quality. Once done, set a light drag, about 1/4 of max, so the spool turns smoothly. Next, hold the rod at a 45 degrees angle and place your thumb lightly on the line to control spool release. Practice one short toss to feel tension, since that initial control prevents overruns and teaches you timing. You should accelerate the rod in a smooth, continuous motion. Jerks cause backlash. As you reach peak forward speed, lift your thumb off the line to release. Timing here controls distance and prevents birds' nests. Make a deliberate follow-through to roughly 10-11 o'clock. This lets the lure track straight. If wind is present, aim slightly lower to reduce drift. Once you land the cast, apply thumb lightly to slow the spool and stop any extra line from whipping. You retrieve with purpose. Vary speed and add short pauses to imitate prey, because movement entices strikes. When you feel a bite, sweep the rod tip firmly to set the hook. Don't yank. To finish, reel smoothly and monitor drag adjustments for the fight. If a backlash happens, immediately stop the spool, engage brakes or palm the spool, and gently unwind tangles by hand. This prevents tightening knots. Practice these corrections slowly until you can clear.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.